Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to Pepe Astuce et Partage. Pepe is my name. Today I'm going to make some chicken soup with some pumpkin, carrot, celery stick, tomato, oil, black pepper, and vegetable stock cube. Now if you like it spicy hot like I do, add scotch bonnet. If not, don't try it. I've washed my vegetable and I'm just going to cut them into small pieces. I'm using chicken breast, which I've washed, cut, and marinated with salt and pepper, then set aside. This soup is very simple to make. The only little time taking is to catch the vegetable. Once you've done that, it will be so easy to make. You can see my pumpkins. Use a sharp knife. I prefer to leave my vegetable with all the skin. Just wash them properly, and for me it's more healthier. Yeah. To start the cooking, in the hot pot, I will put some oil, medium heat. I then put my marinated chicken and stir it. Stir for 2 to 3 minutes, and I will add a bit of salt. We add a tablespoon of pepper, stir, and then cover for 5 minutes. 5 minutes later, stir again and then add my vegetables. Keep stirring and adding bit by bit salt until you have your satisfied taste. then cover for 2 to 3 minutes. I will then add my hot water to cover the vegetable and the chicken. Put my stock cube. And cover to have all the flavor mixed together. Time to add my Scotch bonnet. Oh yes, I like it hot. Let the Scotch bonnet get ready and soft, and then that's it. The soup is ready to eat. I will have my soup tonight and the leftover tomorrow, and let me assure you, eating this soup the following day is even more tasty. If you like the video, please don't forget to like and share with your friends and family. Chicken soup. Bon appétit.